Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Asim Shahid Golap from Mumbai, India. I am a lawyer by profession and I appear in various courts of law. My question is, generally the lawyers address the judges as my lord or your lordship. Is it permitted to address in that manner when a niyyah isn't of considering them as lord? This is a very important question asked by Brother Asim from Mumbai, India, that can we call in the court of law, we refer to the judges as my lord. So can we call my lord? And we know that we don't consider them to be God. So though we don't consider them to be God, can we call them lord? First you should understand that what is the meaning of the word lord. The English word lord has various meanings. One of the meaning is God. And but natural, in no way can you refer God to anyone except Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, except the one true God, Allah. You cannot refer Rabb or God or Lord to anyone except Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But Lord has various other meanings also. The word Lord in England is also used as a title. Like there are various titles given to people like knight. They also title as sir. So Lord is an honorific title or a title of honor given to any man. And it's a common in English language. So one of the meanings of Lord is God. The other meaning is calling him with honor or with respect like sir. The third meaning of Lord is also that in the UK Parliament there is a House of Commons and the upper house of Parliament. The upper house of the UK Parliament is called as a House of Lords. So if you're a member of the upper house of Parliament, you're called as Lord. So anyone who's a member of upper house of Parliament in UK is called a Lord. No one considers him to be God. So Lord in English language has various meanings. One more meaning, in UK, the judges of the High Court or the judges of the Court of Appeal are referred to as Lord. Me Lord or my Lord. So this is the title given to the judges of the High Court in UK or the Court of Appeal, and various courts in the world, they follow the British system. Like in India also, we follow the British system of law. So the judges are called as my Lord or Lordship. Similarly in Malaysia and various other countries in the world, the judges are called as Lord. So when you are referring to the judge as Lord, it is a title of honor. No one refers to him as God. So one of the meaning of the word Lord in English language is God. The other meaning is for respect, like sir. The other meaning is if you are a member of the upper house of Parliament in UK, you are called a Lord. Or if you are a judge of a court of law, you are called a Lord. So when in the court of law, the lawyer refers to the judge as my lord, or if the witness refers to the judge as my lord, it's perfectly fine. No one refers to them as God. So this is the title given to the judges in the court of law, and there's no problem at all. But if you consider them to be God, it's totally haram. It is shirk. No human being can be considered as God. So if you are referring to Lord as a title or as honor instead of sir or for respect, or to the judges as a title, there's no problem at all. It's perfectly all right in Islam, but natural. You cannot refer to anyone as God or except Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Hope that answers the question.